Okay, so our shower has a little bit of a stink to it, and I think it's from this drain, and I'm gonna use this Fanttik cordless sprayer because it's got really high pressure. So this is the bottom side of my shower. See how that standpipe is really tall? And I think some grime can stick to it, some soap. Okay, so I'm back in my shower. We can see down in there, that tube is kind of long. So I think there's some stuff sticking to the wall. Yeah, look down in there. There's a lot of stuff. Wow. So let's see if the Fanttik can get this all nice and clean down in here. Now, normally I would just take the screws out, but I'm really afraid maybe I won't be able to get it to seal right or something. So let's take the Fanttik. Yeah, it's really stirring up an odor. So I want to spray some OxyClean down in there. Maybe help eliminate some of that odor. All right. I'm just using water from the Fanttik. Again, this is battery powered. I just charge it up with USB-C. Fill the tank with water. I can take this over, put 2 gallons of water in it. I can store the handle, the nozzle, and the cord. So let's see. Oh, wow. It is getting pretty clean. But I do need to do a flush because I think there's some hair. But I got some stuff here also. So let's... I've created like a soup down there now. But the pipe, see how the pipe is getting clean? But I need to do a flush. It's got like a soup down there now. Okay, so we need to flush it now. So there's a couple ways. You can get a bucket of water and just dump it down there, and that'll hopefully flush the hair and everything through the S-trap and down your drain. Or you can block off your and turn the shower on, because what happens is showers have a slow drain. It's not like a bathtub where you fill the bathtub up, empty it, and then it gushes everything out the drain. So this, over time, everything's going to start sticking to the walls, and it's going to build up an odor, and you want to flush it once in a while. So I can do that. I've got a bucket here, and you want to do it really fast. Hopefully that caused everything to go down. We will take a look, because I had like a soup down there. I think I still have a little bit of soup. Okay, now one of the best ways is now put a towel here and just turn your shower on. Now what's going to happen is that's going to fill up, your shower will fill up with water. Pretty high. You don't want it to come out, but it's going to fill up pretty high, and then you just take that out, and that's a ton of water that will flush all of that out. Now, I don't go very high. I only go about right to here, and sometimes I take a shower. I'll plug that off, take a shower. That way I'm not wasting water, and then when I'm done with my shower, that water will be dirty, but it will do a flush for you, and you're not wasting water. Okay, so it's really building up a lot of water, but we're not going to open it up yet. Okay, let's turn it off. And you can see I've got there's quite a bit of water in here. It's not up as high as I originally said, but that's going to be a lot of water. Okay, all of that is drained out. Okay, so I love that the Fanttik water tank will fit in a normal kitchen sink. Let's fill it up with water and complete the task. And you just take a break, Miss Fiona, while I figure this out, okay? Okay, so let's finish it up. I filled the Fanttik up. It's cordless. It's got a lot of pressure. Whoops. Got to turn it on. Hold it for 3 seconds. All right, it's on. So let's take a look real quick. Oh yeah, we've got this drain nice and clean. Yeah, see, there's a little bit on the walls. I think that's going to be okay. And there's not that hairball down at the bottom. We flushed that hairball out, and it's not soup down there anymore. All right, so let's just give it another nice clean. I can adjust the pressure to a fine mist. That's got a lot of pressure. I could even clean my shower with it. I really do love this Fanttik cordless sprayer, and it's a great way to get that odor out of your stand-up walk-in shower. Again, I don't have a tub attached to this drain, so it just water slowly drains, and over time you're going to get your products, your hair soap and your oils and different things are just going to start sticking to this drain because the water just slowly drains into it. You don't get a flush. So I showed you how to clean it, flush it, then we'll do some more, just a little bit of OxyClean to get a little bit of smell in there, a little bit better. Of course, you always gotta spray it. They should invent one that sprays like this. You always have to go like this, get it spraying. One more clean. Look at that. Man, that thing, if I keep going, look, it's even cleaner. Wow. That is so impressive. Yeah, this thing's not going to smell anymore. Look, I can even see the white from up here. That's awesome. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.